Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play FIFA 24 in Ps5 Controller. Start by syncing your DualSense controller to the Ps5 and calibrating stick dead zones in game settings. Next, confirm button layout and enable classic or alternate presets to match your playstyle. Test vibration and triggers to balance immersion and responsiveness. Finally, save your profile and practice basic passing and shooting to learn the core inputs and what they do so you can react without thinking. Move with the left stick and use the right stick for skill moves and quick turns. Practice passing variations using X, triangle, and square to open space effectively. On defense, combine circle, L1, and right stick jockeying to delay attackers and force mistakes. Small timing differences make a big impact in close matches. Once basics feel natural, layer in advanced timing and movement for real gains. Practice timed finishing to boost shot quality by tapping shoot again at the right moment. Use driven through balls and quick 1-2s to split defenses and create clear chances. Drill a couple of reliable skill moves to escape pressure and open passing lanes. Consistent repetition in training drills turns these techniques into
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.